Hello lovely people, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solving a nice math problem. This question is x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 36, and we'll find out what is the value of x and y in this math problem. It is a nice math problem. So solution. Our first equation, this is, and our second equation this. Now at this moment, if I take our first equation here, it will be x plus y is equal to 6. Now you can see here y, it will be 6 minus x. This is our third equation. So we'll find out y is equal to 6 minus x. But here xy is equal to 36. Our second equation, it will be xy is equal to 36. But remember that y is equal to 6 minus x. So I can see here x times y, it will be 6 minus x is equal to 36. Now at this moment, this 6 times this x, it will be 6x, and this x times this x, it will be x to the power 2 is equal to 36. Now this quadratic equation here, it will be minus x squared plus 6x, and if I move on this 36 in this side, it will be negative 36 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to what? So at this moment, if I multiply both sides by negative 1 or negative sign, so it will be x squared minus 6x plus 36 is equal to 0. It is a nice quadratic equation. This equation will be x squared minus 6x plus 36 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? How to simplify this question? So you can see here, x is equal to, it will be minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. Now here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 36. This is the value of a, b, c in this quadratic equation. Now at this moment we'll find out the value of x. So here x, it will be minus b. So minus b is negative 6 plus minus square root v square, I mean negative 6 whole to the power 2 minus 4ac, a is 1 and c is 36 over 2a is 1. Now at this moment you can see easily minus minus, it will be plus, plus minus square root, then negative 6 whole to the power 2. This is even number, so it is always positive, so it will be 36 minus 4 times 36, it will be 144 over 2 times 1, it will be 2. Now x is equal to 1. So then you can say easily here x, it will be 6 plus minus square root 144 minus 36. It will be negative 108 over 2. Then here 6 plus minus, then square root 108, it will be square root, you can see it will be 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2 times 3 times minus 1 over 2. 4 times 9 times 3, it will be 108, and here is negative 1. Now at this moment here x, it will be 6 plus minus, and square root 2, it will be 2, and here is square root 3 to the power 2, it will be 3, then here is square root 3, and this is square root negative 1 over 2. Now at this moment you can see here 6 over 2 plus minus, then it will be 2 times 3, it will be 6, and here is square root 3, and square root negative 1, it will be I over 2. Here is I, it is a complex solution, it is a complex number, here is no real solution. So at this moment you can see here x is equal to 6 divided 2, it will be 3 plus minus, and this 6 divided 2 will be 3, and here is square root 3. This is I. We know that square root negative 1, it will be I. This is the value of x. It is a no real solution. Both are complex solution. Now we'll find out the value of y. So y is equal to what? So at this moment, you can see easily here x, it will be 3 plus 3 square root 3i, and here is x, it will be 3 minus 3 square root 3i. This is the value of x. But remember that, recall our third equation, it will be y is equal to 6 minus x. This is our third equation. Now you can see easily here y is equal to 6 minus x. X, it will be 3 plus 3 square root 3i, and here y is equal to 6 minus x. X, it will be 3 minus 3 square root 3i. I solved this question step by step. Now here y is equal to 6 minus 3 plus minus 2, it will be minus, plus minus 2 will be minus, and here is 3 square root 3i, and here y is equal to 6 minus 3, but this is minus minus plus 3 square root 3i. Now you can see here y is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 will be 3 minus 3 square root 3i, and y is equal to 3 plus 3 square root 3i. So both are complex solution. Here is no real solution. This is an interesting math. So we'll find out here x, y. Here is x is equal to 3 plus 3 square root 3i, and y is equal to 3 minus 3 square root 3i. And here x is equal to 3 minus 3 square root 3i, but this time y is equal to 3 plus 3 square root 3i. So this is our final solution in this math Olympiad question, in this math problem. Now at this moment, let's check out our question, our maths question. It will be x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 36. This is our question. So let's verify. Here x is equal to this, y is equal to this. So I put this value in this equation. So x plus y, so x, it will be 3 plus 3 square root 3i, and y is equal to 3 minus 3 square root 3i is equal to 6. Then this cancel out. So you know that these 3 plus 3, it will be 6 is equal to 6. So you can see left hand side and right hand side is equal. But others case, this time this is equal to 36. It is interesting. So here x, so x plus 3 square root 3i times, and y, it will be 3 minus 3 square root 3i is equal to 36. Is it right? So let's check out. We know that a plus b times a minus b will be x square minus b square. It is an interesting formula. It is a nice math formula. So I can see easily here, this time this is equal to what? So a, and this is v, this is a, this is v. So it will be a square plus, minus v square. It will be 3 square root 3i whole to the power 2 is equal to 36. Now at this point you can see it will be 9 minus, and this is equal to what? So 3 to the power 3 to the power 2, it will be 9, but square root 3, it is squared. So square root 3 and square is cancelled. This is cancelled. We will find out here is 3, but I to the power 2 will be negative 1 is equal to 36. Now at this moment you can see that 9 minus minus, it will be plus. 3 times 9, it will be 27 is equal to 36. So you can see 9 plus 27, this is 36. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. So you can see x is equal to this and y is equal to this. This is our right answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.